In this video, I'll demonstrate the proper method for downloading your own Facebook videos and those for which you have received explicit permission from the content creator, enabling you to maintain personal copies for archival or other legitimate purposes. Ever wish to create a local backup of your cherished Facebook memories or valuable content you've been authorized to save? I'll guide you through the straightforward steps to accomplish this directly through the platform. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added a useful Crypto resource there for you too. Before we proceed, it's crucial to understand that downloading videos owned by others without their explicit authorization violates Facebook's terms of service and may infringe upon copyright. The method demonstrated here is intended solely for downloading your own uploaded content or videos for which you have been granted explicit download permission by the creator or owner. Using third-party tools for unauthorized downloads carries potential security risks and policy violations. Now, let's begin the process of downloading your own Facebook videos directly from the platform. First, navigate to your Facebook profile page. Locate and click on the section labeled either Videos or Photos and Videos. This area houses your uploaded media. Within the Videos section, you will find a comprehensive collection of all the videos you have shared on Facebook. Carefully browse and select the specific video you intend to download. Once the video is open, identify the options menu associated with it. This is typically represented by a 3-dot ellipsis icon or an Options button. Click on this to reveal further actions. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select the option labeled Download Video. Upon clicking Download Video, Facebook will initiate the download sequence, and the video file will be saved to your computer's default download location, as determined by your browser settings. Now, let's discuss situations where a content creator has granted you the right to download their video. In these cases, they will typically communicate the approved method to you directly. The creator may share a specific link that allows you to download the video file. In some cases, creators with certain page settings might enable a download option for their viewers. If this is the case, the creator will usually inform you of where to find this option. In rare cases, a creator might explicitly permit the use of a particular third-party tool, but this should always be clearly communicated by them and will happen outside Facebook platform. Remember, always respect content ownership and adhere to platform policies. Utilizing unauthorized methods like third-party tools for downloading videos on Facebook can lead to policy breaches and potential security vulnerabilities. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.